What's up, guys? Welcome to the Players Championship Day 1, which we're going 12 games today on a 39-foot pattern, which means I'm throwing urethane, Kevin's throwing urethane. A lot of guys are going to be throwing urethane, especially the first couple games. And with that, I want to share that we have a members-only video coming out, exclusive access if you are a member of the channel. So if you want, click that link down below and join to become a member. And we're coming out with a tips and tricks on how to throw urethane video. So don't forget, you can do that by clicking the link down below in the description and becoming a member of the channel. Otherwise, here we have 12 games coming at you from the Players Championship. Two games in, I shot 212 and 215, and I didn't throw enough good shots. I was hooking it too much the first game, and then the second game I got into the right spot, but I didn't have enough faith or trust in what I was doing, so I threw a lot of bad shots that game. But strung them together the back half of the game for 215, and hopefully more good shots, more good shapes, and more good games. block 2. About 40 over, so I'm gonna need some better bowling here. We are gonna need some better. What are you at?
110. It's not bad.
I need some better bowling. He needs the same. He needs the same.
Let's take a little bit. Let's take great bowling from Packy and a little more than what I did earlier.
Need some better shapes. We'll figure it out though. We're switching ends. The cool thing about this tournament is the low end is a completely brand new lane surface, and the high end is like 30 years old. So we just bowled on the high end. This night block should be a lot different in terms of like balls, shapes, patterns, how you attack it. So hopefully that equals a little different scoring pace for me. Hopefully. Fingers. Come on. Well, we ended up at 206 over, which should put me like right around the cut number, but a little rough patch there. Game 5 of the night block, shot 170, trying to play like hard and straight, and then I stepped right and hooked it at game 6, that final game of the night block, to shoot 270 and kind of put myself back in contention to make this cut. So overall, good block, 160 over tonight, 40 over in the morning, which puts me at 206. So 206. Catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully more big blocks.
Big
blocks.